Hey, Delisa, thank you for the comment. Thank you for the question. So the question is, do you ever buy bags, purses from secondhand stores? Yes, I have in the past, and I can elaborate more on that, but usually I like to buy them from the store. For the most part, I like to buy it from the store. I know it's sometimes I have to wait, especially with Hermès, and like it might be more expensive if I got then a used one, but I like buying from the store because I know for sure that it's from the store, it's authentic, it's new, it's mine, and all the love and wear, and I pretty much baby my bags, but all love and wear is mine, and also like it's under my account, my name, everything like that. But I have bought things secondhand. I've just had really bad experiences for the most part. I've ended up getting a few fakes. I've done a few videos about the ones that I got that were fake, that I've gotten from secondhand sites like eBay, Vestiaire Collective, Poshmark, Mercari, like all of those resale sites. I've never had any issues with RealReal or Fashion File. I know people have issues with RealReal and Fashion File. I have bought things from them secondhand. I have bought some used stuff or some vintage stuff or some hard to get limited edition stuff that is not, I can't buy from the store. So those things I will sometimes buy secondhand, or I'll buy it and use it for a little bit and then I'll consign it back, stuff like that. So I've just not really had a really great experience for them, and then I usually just don't pull for them. I just like to, lately, mostly I just pull for my Hermès bags because they're beautiful and I love them, and it took me so long and so hard to get them that I want to use those every day. So I don't really pull for anything else. Any of my other bags that are even new, used, that I've had for forever, my Goyard, my Chanel, my Balenciaga, like Gucci, everything, like I just product, like I don't Dior, like I don't pull for any of those really anymore. But yeah, if I see a good deal, I will get it. I think I've done like a few videos too of me going to the RealReal buying, looking at buying things. I just, 99% of the time I can't pull the trigger on it. I just rather would, especially when it's close to retail, or a lot of times like now they're like above retail for certain brands and certain colors and certain styles. So I'd rather just wait and buy it from the store. Okay, thank you.